Alright, so I hate to start this video off on a bad note, but we was working on the Koki, and found something that kind of sucks, man. It sucks. But I know it's a common problem, but as you can see, Tomei manifold on my SR is unfortunately cracked. It sucks, but let's see if you can kind of see it. Oh yeah, there you go. Luckily, I'm gonna try, hopefully, not to buy another one. Luckily, my dad happens to be an amazing welder, and hopefully he can get it welded up. I only need it to last this season, this coming car season, and then maybe during the winter I'll be able to take it all apart again and hopefully maybe do a top mount. Maybe, we'll see. If you didn't see this video and you see me do it, comment on that video when I do it, and I'll know that you're an OG. You pay attention to the videos. But yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, taking it off was a little bit hard. It wasn't hard. All the studs that go to the motor were easy. Only thing that kind of gave me a held up was the lines, but after we got that figured out, it wasn't that bad of a problem. We took it off with the down pipe from here. These bolts pretty much rounded off, so I don't think those are ever gonna come off. But yeah, today, see if we can get this massive crack. If it would focus. Massive crack welded up, and then hopefully next week get the car back running. You're gonna gas back it and then weld it, right?
Yeah, gotta be clean from the inside.
This is my dad.
Hello.
And we got some acetone and a brush. Gonna scrub all around it, make sure it's clean. Yeah, so for reference, my dad was an aerospace welder for like a long time. So he's...
Yes, Kevin, put me online. Let me get some advertisement, man, to make some money.
Yeah, so yeah, my dad. I'll show the test plate. So his test plate right here. He shot it with a BB gun a bunch of times, but so this is one side. Let me see if I can get it without the glare. This is one side, right? This is the other side, and this is one pass on one side, right? You didn't weld both sides. You just one pass with penetration, right?
Yes, one pass only.
So you only welded one side, and it came out like this on both sides. So if you're watching, put it in the comments which side you think you started on. side number 1 or number 2. Let me know what you think. If you think you could tell the.
Yeah, never tell. Never.
Yeah, so this is my dad's home workshop. Still got to do a little spring cleaning. Got a lot of projects, but he's got everything. If you guys need some TIG welding, aluminum cracked rims or anything, hit me up and I'll get you hooked up with him so you can get your stuff fabricated, at least fixed up. Maybe anything outside now. Alright, so we grinded it all out. You can see on the inside. You can see the crack real well right there. We grinded it neatly on the. We got it all sealed up. He's in a gas bucket so that the weld comes out clean on the backside, just like that test plate that we saw.
So we put in the gas in here.
Okay.
The exit's here.
That's where the gas is gonna go in. I don't see any bubbles. Stop touching it so much.
No, I gotta spread the liquid over it. I gotta spread the liquid all the time. If you didn't get that, how you gonna show signs of bubble?
It's a little soapy, but. And the inside, you say we still need to grind it, right?
Yeah.
Clean the inside. Dang, it did penetrate a lot though. Alright, I know the whole video I was fixing the whole manifold, re-welding it, and doing all that stuff. Unfortunately, I got home and I literally looked at it and I saw another crack. And then that's when I figured, you know what, maybe that the Tomei manifold has what's the word? Done his job. Alright, take a look here. I know that dreaded brand XS Power, a lot of people have problems with. Alright, I got it out of the bag. And I gotta say, this thing is heavy. Ooh. But I mean, I guess that is a result of the thicker stainless, which I brought my Tomei over here to compare, and I had to re-weld it already. And then I found out there was another crack, and I figured I'm not gonna keep re-welding it because this one broke on the material. Like, it broke on the material, not on a flange, on a weld. So I figured if I'm gonna get a different manifold and have to, because everybody says that every stainless manifold cracks. So I figured if I'm gonna get one that's gonna crack, it might as well be Schedule 40, because I know this stuff is a lot. It's definitely way heavier. It's way heavier than it told me. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of better quality. I know it's XS Power, but I did realize on the forums that ISR and XS Power actually make the same, or maybe they get the manifold from the same place, possibly, but they look pretty much the same. It looks like it should work pretty good. I mean, it looks good. I'm pretty sure it looks better than this freaking used and abused stuff. This thing's been on the car for I don't know how long, but I figured I might as well just go with something else. I'm actually gonna end the video right here. If you want to see the car running, you're gonna have to wait till next video. This video's gone on too long with the welding and stuff. And not to mention, if you guys need your diffs welded or any minor fabrication, hit me up. I'll try to get you hooked up with my dad. He didn't lay the best bead, like the best looking beads on that, but you guys saw the penetration on there. And if you guys want some pretty welding, I showed you what you can do also on the test plate. But yeah, like I said, if you like the content, if you learned something about welding, leave it in the comments. I know if you are a welder, you might look at what we did and be like, it's not the, whatever. But it worked. So nevertheless, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Hopefully in the next video, get the car running, turn the boost up, and have some fun. Until next time, peace.